Hello Sudoku friends, welcome Today we got our first newspaper on January the 2nd on Thursday. First of all, a happy new year to all my Sudoku friends. The best wishes. Today, in the daily newspaper, we only have one Sudoku, a Medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 nines. So why don't we start with the 9? I see here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 empty boxes. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. I see there 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box is left for the 9. This one. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 9 is here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. I see there 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 3 places for a 9 is here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. I see there 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes. Then an 8 in this row. An 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then I see here in the middle row 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. But I see there also a 4, so no 4 here. Only place for the 4 should be here. Then this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 7. That is this one. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row above, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then a 5 in the last column, a 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 missing number in this column. That is the number 3. Yes. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. The numbers 1 and 3. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 3 goes here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 1 I have, 2, 3, and 6. 2, 3, and 6. I see here 3, so no 3 there. I see there 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. So we have here a pair, 2 and 6. 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. This big square. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 6, and 3. I see here we have a 1, so no 1 there. I see there 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 1, should be this one. 2 numbers missing for this big square. For the numbers 3 and 6, we have a 6 there, so no 6 here, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then, 2 missing numbers in the last row. The numbers are 4 and 5. I see we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. The 8, no, not the 8. Let me see here. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers here in this big square. For the numbers 1, 8, and 4. 8 and 4, yes. 8 and 4. 1, 8, and 4. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. But if I look to the 8 in this row, 4 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 should be here in this row. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 4. So the 1 should be here in this row. We have the 1 in the middle row here. So the row below. The only 3 places for 1 is here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. I see there 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers. The numbers of this row. The numbers are 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. here we have 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Now we have a 6 there. So no 6 here, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 missing number in the first column for the number 3. Then 1 missing number in this column, the third column for the number 2. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 4. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5 in this column. I see 1 and 5, so 1 digit left is the number 3. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 5. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have finished this in 13 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching. For the first Sudoku in the new year 2020, not easy, but also not so difficult. Anyway, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you want. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching this first puzzle in the new year, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye bye.